Hi, are you looking to expand your business maybe by building and creating a course that you can put out there and sell? Have you heard of passive income? So you can sell that course while you're sleeping at night? Whether you're an entrepreneur and you're looking to build a course that you can sell, or you're an instructional designer wanting to build a course, I'm going to show you how you can build a course and put it on your website for free. Okay, so we're in Canva right now, and if you haven't seen my previous video, I showed you how Canva tools are free and what you can do in Canva. So hold on, wait. Don't go to my previous video just yet. I want you to see this, and then you can go to it. I'll link that at the end if you haven't already seen it. But I'm going to show you how you can build and create a course to put on your website for free. Now, there's a free version and there's a pro version. So there's a little bit of difference there. I'll show you as we go through, but we're going to create something that's free. All right. So here in Canva, we're going to go to presentations, and then we'll just click on presentations. So there's all kinds of templates that are going to come up here for you. You can actually go through the slides here to see, what you're looking for. Let's say you want to create a course on how to bake a cake. So let's go through here. Now, anytime you see something that's, got the little crown, that's the pro version. So that one is, that one's the pro version. That one's free. That one's free. So there's several of them in here that are free. So we're just going to click on this one right here. It's cute. It's a free one. So we'll click on that one. And then let's just go ahead and click apply all 10. You can apply whichever ones you want. You can come through here, and if you have your own logos or anything like that, you can apply those. You can also change the coloring, however you want to do that. Completely editable. So I'm reviewing everything right now and doing all the editing, and I just want to point out that Canva is not edible, it's editable. Crop it, however you want to do all of that. So you see that it adds all the different slides through here. Okay, so once you get all of this completely created and how you want it to look, put your information in there, add your colors and your font and all of that you can change and customize. You can also come over here to elements, and then you can find any kind of little things that you want to add in there. Maybe we can see if we can find something to do with cakes. So you can find something in here to do with cakes. Oh, there's pictures in here. And then if it doesn't have the little crown on there, it's free, so you can use that. Okay, so let's say that we've got everything set up to the way that we want it and we're good. By the way, I'm going to show you something towards the end, so stay around towards the end, and I'm going to show you something else that I really love and I've been starting to use a little bit more of in Canva for free. Okay, so you've created everything. So come over here to present. So when you click on present, we're going to click on present and record. So it's going to have your little bubble down here at the bottom. So you can choose to have your face showing for your course, or you can have it not showing. So let's click next. All right, so go to Recording Studio. So select the correct camera that you have. One thing I will suggest that you probably want to invest in a webcam. A webcam is really going to help, because let me show you the difference here. This is my laptop camera, and see it's the picture here. The quality is not very good. So let me change it to my webcam. And now you can see the quality of the picture is a lot better. So I would suggest in kind of investing in a webcam if you're going to do something like this and you're going to have your picture on there. Okay, so if you want your picture on there, that's where it's gonna look like that. So hit start recording. You got 3, 2, 1. All right, so now we're recording, and you are only you get to see all of this. So when it's recording, it's only going to show your little bubble down here at the bottom and the slides. So as you go through each slide, this is what your participant is seeing. So they get to see each slide with your bubble. They will not see any of this down at the bottom. You also can put notes for each page that you are creating. So, if you have something in particular you want to talk about and you don't forget it, you can put notes in there and your participants don't see that as well. All right, so once you have finished everything and you've gone through all of your slides, you can go ahead and hit end recording. And it takes a minute or two sometimes to do the rendering. So we'll go ahead and wait just a minute. Okay, it's done rendering now. So you have two options. You can copy the link or you can download it. To put it on your website, I suggest to download it so that you can upload it onto your website. But what I'm going to show you here is we're just going to copy the link and I'm going to pull it up so I can show it to you there. Okay, so I've got my link put in, it's waiting. All right, so it's all good to go now. So this is on the web and you can click play. All right, so now we're recording and you are only going to, you get to see all of this. So when it's recording, it's only going to show your. So it's as easy as that. Seriously, I mean, go in there. There's all kinds of templates that you can create and create that course and build it and start selling that course on your website. All right, I told you I was going to show you one more thing that I really enjoy on Canva. So here we are, we're back at the home screen again. So one thing that I've started using a little bit more now is storyboarding in Canva. So you just put in storyboard and it comes up with so many different storyboard templates. I shared this in one of my previous videos. I've got the link up here at the top. So go ahead and take a look at that. Like I said, I love this. It's so easy to do and there's free versions, all kinds of free versions in there for you to do. I hope this was helpful for you. So go out there, create that training or create that course that you can start selling online. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it and I'll see you in the next video.